want some.
This is my first time. Wait, this ice. This is black little cat.
Right there. Davy Crockett mini golf. Oh, flapjacks, pancakes, cabin. We definitely come here in the morning. You guys want pancakes in the morning? Great Smokey Mountains National Park.
Falling rocks. That's the sign I was telling you about.
Our resort, guys, Westgate Resort. This is where we'll be staying. Yep, Westgate Smokey Mountain Resort.
Should I try to check in early? We're an hour early.
Till Saturday. That's the
indoor water park.
What?
Oh, home sweet. Should we try to check in? Check in over here.
I hope they put us at the top.
I know, right? Yeah, I think we gotta check in over there.
Ask him that's coming right there.
On the golf club?
And then around. Yeah, because it's one way.
I can't see it.
It's getting in here.
Yeah. It's bouncing over here.
$71.
Yeah. Get some little straight.
It was a playground.
So we're on the third floor, actually.
I bring my Lysol and spray it down and y'all can play.
They were in 71. They had a restaurant back there over just now. Okay, that's 61. Yeah, that's 61. So you guys are pretty high up.
Cool.
Oh, man, I think I'm supposed to turn right there. Robbie, you gotta walk to 71, bro. Smelling like that.
Alright, I'll walk. Get out.
He ain't gonna come back down.
Oh, mini golf, zip line. So everything over here?
Yep. Oh, zip line, he says it's a small fee, but everything else is free.
Oh.
Like the pool. 71.
I'm having it up here.
Right there.
I see it.
And we're on the third floor. 31A, right?
Yeah. Oh, we got a pretty good view still. Oh, it's cold. That's if you like to connect it. Oh, this is nice.
Hey.
This is nice. Oh, so we do have a mountain view.
We do?
Yeah, we got a balcony. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Mommy, that's awesome. What? This one.
What I miss?
This.
That's somebody else's one. Oh! Oh my gosh!
What?
This nice?
I don't know.
Babe, look. Look at this tub.
What?
It's a tub in the room. It's a garden tub with
Might have to add
jets
another day.
and bubbles. No kids in there, baby.
Wait, it's over?
No kids, baby.
This is black little cat.
This is high. Be careful. It's cool, huh, guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Please be careful. He's scared.
If you looking for me, I be on the balcony in my rocket ship with my hat cocked to the back.